Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start inside your Shopify admin. Navigate to Finances, choose Shopify Balance, and tap Sign Up to begin. You will accept the balance terms and link your legal entity by providing an EIN or social security number and confirming identity with a government ID. Shopify verifies accounts usually within 1 to 3 business days. Meanwhile, request the free physical or virtual Shopify Balance card. When the card arrives, activate it in the Shopify app and set a PIN so you can start spending and managing funds right away. Choose how income reaches Shopify Balance by setting your payout schedule to daily, weekly, or manual. Scheduled payouts typically take 24 to 72 hours to post. You can also move available money instantly from Shop Payments to Balance for immediate access, with the app showing precise available amounts and pending hold details. Inside the Balance dashboard, apply labels, create budgets, and review each transaction's fee and order ID so you can reconcile sales, refunds, and chargebacks efficiently for bookkeeping and tax preparation. Use the Shopify Balance card to pay suppliers, buy inventory, and withdraw cash at ATMs while monitoring real-time balances in the app. Respect ATM limits and be aware of any ATM fees. If you need banking rails, transfer funds to an external bank account with same-day or standard ACH options depending on your plan. For bookkeeping, export CSV transaction files or whole statements from Balance, tag entries to match orders, and produce reports that summarize gross sales, fees, payouts, and reserves for quarterly tax calculations.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.